So what is cancer? Cancer is defined as a disease characterized by the growth of uncontrolled cancer cells in one's body. It kills millions of people all over the world each year, and unfortunately we do not have a cure for it.
In the United States alone, well over 1.5 million new cases of cancer were reported in 2014, and over 500,000 people died from cancer in the same year.
Fortunately, some plants from Mother Nature have chemicals inside them that are believed to act as anti-cancer agents. Based on this, I designed my project to test out whether or not natural plant products can kill breast cancer cells.
In this project, I used 4 natural plant products: ginger, garlic, basil leaf, and moringa leaf, all of which are common culinary ingredients. I tested them on breast cancer cells to see if they could inhibit the growth of the cancer cells. If they do, then that means I have an effective way to prevent some cancers. I took 2 grams of each plant product and grinded it up into a fine powder using a mortar and pestle and liquid nitrogen. I then mixed the powders into 1 milliliter of water to extract the chemicals. I added 25 microliters of each extract to the breast cancer cells in petri dishes containing growth medium. Then I put the petri dishes into a climate-controlled incubator for 72 hours and analyzed the results under a phase contrast microscope.
I analyzed the effectiveness of the treatments by comparing the size, shape, compactness, and number of cells. As you can see here,
in the control samples, the cells are very dense, clumpy, and appear in different sizes and shapes, which indicates that they are actively growing and dividing. In contrast, the cells treated with ginger and garlic are sparse, detached, and shrunken with lots of floating debris, which indicates that they are mostly dead. On the other hand, the samples treated with basil and moringa couldn't produce a clear image, so their effect couldn't be evaluated conclusively.
I found out that when cells are under a lot of stress, they trigger a process called apoptosis, in which they shrink, become rounded, release all of their contents, and die.
Based on this experiment, I have proved that some natural plant products can effectively be used to kill cancer cells. All in all, with more research in this area, I hope to contribute to a long fight with this deadly disease and eventually save lives. Thanks for watching my video.